Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's recipe, we are making something very different, a very special meal, and it is called Etor. Etor is its origin from Ghana, but formulated by the Ga-Adamgbes and prepared on very special occasions only. So previous weekend was my husband's birthday, and I decided to make this different meal for him. Okay, so to start with this, you're going to use plantain because that's the main thing to use, and make sure that plantain you have the unripe ones or almost getting to ripe, or you have the ripe ones. So it shouldn't be very ripe. Like I showed you two different types. One was like green but ripe, not too ripe, and the other one was a bit ripe. So those are the things that you use. So I finished peeling it off and I'm slicing to these sizes. You can choose any sizes, you can choose to do it in any form. The next thing is I'll wash it, and then I'm going to just put this in my water, then put it on fire. Because egg is one of the things that I'm going to use to prepare the eto, I'll wash it thoroughly and add it to the water on fire, or the plantain on fire. Add some salt and then cover it up to boil. While that is going on, I'll just go ahead and grind some pepper because you need that spice inside. Yes, do not forget to add that, it's very important. Add the spices, the pepper and then onion, and make sure to add the granite paste. Okay, both is allowed. Okay, so add the paste, the granite, and grind it so it's smooth like you saw in the video. I went back to check on my plantain. I'm using the knife to check if it is soft enough, so it was, and so I took it off the fire and I left the egg to continue to boil. But obviously, if your egg is already boiled and you think it's cooked, you don't need to leave it on fire. So I'm going to add this to the mixture in my earthenware and then grind all of this together. Just gently do this, guys, gently do this. And whilst I'm done with the first batch, I'll add more batch. But if you think that the earthenware is not big enough to contain all of this, when you're done with the first batch, you can just pour it into a bowl or something that you can work in. Okay, and then you mash the second batch and add everything, and then you mix all together. So now this is all that I have. Make sure it's as smooth as you see this way, and then when it is ready, go ahead and heat some oil. Please use good palm oil. I'm using Zomi. And if you want to be an extra person, you want to do extra, you can go ahead and add some seasoning cubes and some salt or whatever you want to give a more taste to it. Fry the onion till it gets that, you see how it's like, yes. And then go ahead and add the hot oil to this. Now, again, if the earthenware is too small to contain everything, pour it into a bowl and then redo it inside there. If not, carefully mix all of this together. Yes, carefully. The key word is carefully mix it together, and trust me, you will love this meal. It's very easy, but trust me, it's very nice. Like, you don't need to waste a lot of time and do it. And yes, Charlie, they say necessity is the matter of invention, right? I didn't have money, so I decided to do this special meal for my husband, and guys, everyone loved it. Like, you can see the egg is fried, so every member of the family ate some, and everybody totally loved it. It was my first time. I totally enjoyed making it and even eating it as well. So if you are having a birthday party and you don't have enough money or something, guys, you can just go ahead and choose this meal, this recipe. Try it for your family and they will love it. Both the young and the old will all love it. Some granules and some avocado and some eggs must definitely go with this, and add some juice to it, guys. You're just gone, you're out of this place, and I won't lie to you, it's the best recipe to try on special occasion. Yes, so if you like this, please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share and like this particular video, please. But until we meet again in the next video, which I'll be sharing very soon, please stay tuned. And yes, guys, see you later. Catch you later. Bye.